Welcome back to Bad Rabbit. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money online using AI Chat GPT. And the best part? It's a beginner-friendly method that has the potential to earn you up to $3,000. So, if you're ready to explore the world of AI and start making money, keep watching. Hey there, I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to share this incredible opportunity with you. We'll be diving into the world of AI Chat GPT, an advanced technology that has revolutionized the way we communicate and even make money online. Chat GPT. Before we jump into the money-making aspects, let's quickly understand what AI Chat GPT is. AI Chat GPT stands for Artificial Intelligence Chat-Based Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a cutting-edge technology developed by OpenAI that allows us to create intelligent chatbots and conversational agents. The benefits of AI Chat GPT are vast. First, it provides a personalized and interactive user experience, making conversations more engaging and dynamic. Second, it can understand and respond to user queries in a human-like manner, enhancing the overall user satisfaction. And most importantly, it opens up incredible opportunities to generate income online. Now, let's get into the exciting part: the beginner-friendly method to make money online with AI Chat GPT. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Research and choose a niche. The first step is to research and choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about. It could be anything from fashion, fitness, cooking, or even personal finance. The key is to select a niche that has a target audience and potential for monetization. Step 2. Create an AI chatbot. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your AI chatbot using AI Chat GPT. There are various platforms available, such as Platform Name, that provide user-friendly interfaces to build and train your chatbot without any coding skills. Step 3. Train your chatbot. Training your chatbot is crucial to make it smarter and more responsive. Spend time fine-tuning its responses, providing accurate information, and ensuring a delightful user experience. The better your chatbot performs, the more likely you are to generate income.